While the state was celebrating the 49th Statehood Day on 21st January 2021, an unfortunate incident had taken place at Denchalalu, East Jaintia Hills, where 6 laborers had lost their lives after having fallen into a deep hole measuring around 100 feet. On being asked whether illegal mining is still taking place in the state, Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tinsong, said that no matter what, illegalities will always take place. He, however, stated that an inquiry into the incident has been made and the details of the same are expected from the District Administration of East Jaintia Hills that had also filed an FIR against the owner of the particular plot where the incident had taken place.
We came to know yesterday evening, in fact. Yesterday we came to know. And now we have already directed the district administration, deputy commissioner, to give us all the details. Because as of now, we came to know that about 6 laborers died on the spot. So all the details have been directed the district administration to submit to the
Despite the ban, is this proof that mining is going on in the state, sir?
See, the illegality is illegality. It is not that government says them to do the illegality. That's what not even we have already asked the deputy commissioner to file FIR. Whoever involved on this, file FIR and let the law takes its own course. We will not compromise.
This is the second time that really happens. Last
Yes.
time also in that area. So, sir, will be conducting an inquiry on this.
Yes, once we get the report from the deputy commissioner, then whatever necessary to be done from the government side, we are firm, we are ready to do.